Hey now, Carl the Madman here. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Snuck a little bit of bird food out there today. Feel sorry for all my little birdie friends since I stopped feeding them. But we got a little bit out there today. Baking bread right now, as you might have been able to guess, because I pretty much only wear this thing when I'm cooking to keep all these beautiful gray locks that I have from getting into places they're not supposed to. I'm gonna head out to the shop tonight after work, and throughout the day here, probably not much. But like I've said a bazillion times now, you just never know. You just never know what the day might bring. So apparently the Berzerker has a little bit of a gas leak. So into the shop we go. Can't have that. Okay, Foxy, we're out of here. Time to go pull the Berzerker into the shop. All right, made it down to the shop with the Berzerker. Wake the dead, the Berzerker, they both fit in here, look at that. Once this welder goes to Eric's place, I could damn near get a third bike in here. So much room, what am I gonna do? Arco, you must be jealous. So, must investigate, find out why I have a gas leak. Looks like it's coming from the carb, so let's get in there, figure this out. Hopefully it's nothing too serious. right, well, I think I identified the problem. And it's a pretty simple one. I think I probably didn't need to pull the whole carburetor off, but who knew? One of these carburetors. Anyways, carburetor sits like this. One of these, well, a couple of them. One was really loose. So I tightened it up because it was, you know, very loose. And I'm thinking that's probably where it was coming from. I can't see anywhere else on here where the issue could have arose. So I guess we'll stick it back on and see where it goes from there. But I'm not going to be sticking it back on there tonight. It's not enough hours in the day, I tell you. I could just sit out here all day. I wish I could just sit out here all day. But I can't. So I won't. See that toolbox over there? See a tool? There's a toolbox here somewhere. Where is it? Where's my toolbox? Where's my damn toolbox? Where's my goddamn toolbox? Oh, there it is. See my toolbox? See all those lame ass stickers on there? You guys have any channel stickers? Send me some channel stickers from my toolbox, because my toolbox desperately needs channel stickers. My address is in the description box. I got an Amazon wish list in there too, but that's a fantasy world. That is fantasy world. The rate I make money, it's never. Anyways, that's not your problem. That's my problem. But I put it on there anyhow, because you just never know. Maybe there's a fairy godfather, mother, sister, brother out there somewhere who's, you know, who has way too much money, and they just want to watch me spend it. That's it, folks. Have a great day. Hey.